Introducing the TWOWYHI 24 counts x 10 Sets Cupcake Containers. These crystal clear plastic cupcake boxes are not only visually appealing but also incredibly sturdy for multiple uses. The bottom and tops can be separated, making it convenient to hold your cupcakes securely. One of the key features of these cupcake carriers is their stackability. The containers fit securely on top of each other, allowing for easy transportation and saving valuable space. Whether you need to transport a small or large number of cupcakes, these containers are perfect for the job. They are also great for traveling, as they make your cupcakes look presentable and professional in their packaging. The high dome design of the TWOWYHI cupcake containers provides excellent protection for your cupcakes. With generous height, there is plenty of space for frosting and toppings without messing up the design. The dome even allows you to add whipped cream without worry. These cupcake boxes are versatile and suitable for various occasions, including weddings, birthdays, and parties. With 10 sets included, you can easily transport a large quantity of cupcakes. The containers stack well without sliding off, making it convenient to transport over 200 cupcakes at once. Using these cupcake containers is a breeze. The snap closure ensures a tight seal, and they work especially well for tall cupcakes. There is enough room inside for taller frosting designs, and the lid pops open easily while securely snapping shut. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Before purchasing, please check compatibility with the outlets and voltage in your destination. Get your TWOWYHI 24 counts x 10 Sets Cupcake Containers today and enjoy the convenience and elegance they bring to your cupcake transportation needs. Product information. ASIN B09V74F4ZJ. Customer reviews. 4.6 out of 5 stars, 385 ratings, best sellers rank. Number 23,668 in kitchen and dining. Number 27 in cupcake carriers. Date first available, March 10, 2022.